So guys, this is Big Papa signing in again for Jamaican versions, and today I'm gonna be cooking rice and peas, French fried chicken, and also fricassee chicken, which a lot of people know as a lot of Jamaican know as cook down chicken, Sunday chicken. So guys, I'm gonna be doing this, and hopefully you guys will follow me through the steps. And as I say, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And new year, new direction, new vision. So, guys, this is Big Papa. Yeah, so I'm gonna be seasoning up my flour, right here, and some cornstarch also in it. So I'm gonna be using Maggi chicken flavor, some crushed peppers, black peppers, some garlic pepper, a little seasoned salt, and my paprika. This is what I'm gonna be putting into my flour, making my flour mixture. So and then I'm gonna be flouring my chicken in this mixture. So guys, my fried chicken will be so crispy and nice, if I do say so myself. But so yeah, but I'm gonna be doing the fried chicken, French fried chicken, and then I'm gonna also be cooking down some of the chicken fricassee style to make just to have the gravy. I do not like making sauce when I'm doing fried chicken. I like to cook some of my chicken, just cook it down the way we do it, Jamaican style. We call it Sunday chicken, otherwise known as fricassee chicken. So I'm gonna be doing that with some of the chicken, and then so I'm gonna be just putting my seasoned mixture into my flour, and then go from there. So guys, remember, just a little. This is the paprika, not much, and then some garlic pepper, black pepper, I know some people tend to put a lot of stuff on the outside, in the flour mixer, but I don't. And then I like to use these pepper seeds. Yeah, that make that thing kind of spicy a bit. And then the chicken flavor. You know, your chicken should not be like with a lot of, and last but not least, a little bit of Laurie's. This thing doesn't have any MSG in it, so that's why I like using it. Just a little. I mean, your chicken is already seasoned already, so you just want to have the flour seasoned. You don't want to have that raw, that natural flour taste. You just want to have the outer crust of your chicken a bit spicy, have some spice in it. So yeah, I tend to use a lot of black pepper in this thing. And that's it, guys, not a lot. You don't need a lot to get your thing going, so that's it. Just a little more paprika to give it that coloring, with a little coloring. And yeah. So this is my seasoning, my onion, thyme, tomato, scallion, and sweet pepper. I have like yellow and red sweet pepper. So this is to cook down my chicken fricassee style. So thyme is also in it in the bottom, and I'm gonna add some hot pepper. I'm gonna cut I scotch on it and put it in it. So that is my skeleton to cut down my season, to cut down my fricassee. So so now guys, let me see. This is my recipes. Ready. I'm just, it's not ready, it's already coconut milk, peas, season, scallion thyme, everything. And you know we Jamaican, we sometimes we put a bit of onion inside it to give it that flavor. So I just need to, this is ready. This just needs to be cooked down a bit more. Just add in the butter. Then I'm gonna put in my rice. So just gonna make it boil for like 10 minutes more. And then it should be ready for my, guys, that tasted so good. Should be ready for my rice. So that's it. So this is my rice and peas. And I guess there's one more thing that I should be adding to this. Let me see. Yeah. A little bit of black pepper, just a little bit. Okay. That little spice. So a little bit of black pepper. And you can see it's bubbling. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. So that's my what do you call it? Rice and peas, coconut milk, peas and everything ready. Just gonna cover it and let it cook for 10-15 minutes more. Then I'm gonna be getting ready to fry my chicken. Okay, so guys, when I return, you will see me fry my chicken. Okay, I'm gonna be doing as I said, some French fried chicken and also some fricassee chicken. Sunday chicken, as we Jamaicans say it. So be back in a few, guys. So guys, what I normally do would be like put a couple of pieces of chicken in the container like this, and then just cover it, everything, sure it's covered, and then just shake it around, get everything nicely covered so you don't have to be in a mess. So everything is like there, covered and floured. Okay, so as you can see, everything is covered and floured. Okay, so and then go from here. Well, I'm not gonna be doing this. Yeah, so it's like the floured. So I'm just gonna put it in the pot. Okay, so it's floured. Okay, these are floured. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a couple pieces more. Yeah, I guess the rest I'm gonna be fricassee. Okay, I'm gonna be just frying them, just like no flour, nothing. Just gonna fry them and then just cook them down. So as you can see, if you don't have a container where you can cover your thing, you can just flour it, like use a spoon and get your, I'm sure you guys know how to do this, you know, just get your thing covered and floored. Okay, that's it. Make sure all the outer surfaces is like the floor, and you know, covered with floor. So that's it. So okay, everything is covered. So these are ready to be put in the frying pot. Okay, so that's all of the way. Clean up my hands a bit. Yeah, that happens when the kitchen guys, things drop. Make sure you sterilize, get whatever drop from your cream. Do not use dirty utensils. So that's it. So coming this side now. I want to make sure that you guys can see my pot and stuff. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm gonna be putting in my chicken. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sometimes you have to be running for your pot when it's popping. Yeah, just like I did just now. So yeah, that's chicken in the pot, and I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret that I do. Okay, I don't know if other people do it, but I'm gonna let you know a secret that I do. Okay, guys, I like to cover my pot when I'm frying, so it's like, yeah. That's not the right cover for that part, but I want you guys to see what is happening while it's frying, so which is why I'm using that cover. So you can see what you're doing. The meat is not being burnt or anything like that. So that's it. It's been fried, and yeah, steamed and fried, you know. And then when it's done like that, the meat is evenly, you don't have like the outside being fried and the inside raw. Even if you are like one of the Jamaicans who like to chew the chicken bone, the chicken bone won't be seeing any blood or anything in it when you do it like that. So that's my way of frying chicken sometimes, not all the time. But you know, when the fried with flour, it tends to get burnt, and the inside is not properly fried. So when I do it like this, I'm 100% certain that the inside is being fried. So guys, that's it for now. I'm gonna be showing you when I turn the chicken how it looks, and then also I'll be back in a few. Yes, so I've turned my chicken and just like just letting it down. So as you can see, it has a little golden brown color. Needs to be brown a little bit more, but I turn them and they're gonna be flipped again. So it's just like just taking my time to get it, give it the right color, and make sure it's still juicy. And This thing is about to pop, so let me pop it. Yeah. So that's my chicken frying. That's my chicken frying. And let me see. Chicken frying. And yeah. And rice. I put the rice in the pot. So I just whoa, why did it do it? So yeah, alright, so some people getting ready. That's my recipe. And that's my chicken. Okay. Just put my chicken over. I want it to look okay. Nice golden brown color. Let me turn on the heat, don't want it to burn. So, and that's my chicken fry. So when I come back, guys, I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna put away the rest of the chicken, then cook it down. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing it using cooking it down in a smaller pot. Yeah, because it's just like a few pieces of chicken. So I'll let you guys see what's next coming up shortly. So guys, that's my French fried chicken, fried, and this is my Vibzing chicken with the sauce and everything. So this is just gonna be put down, everything is ready, and my rice is also ready. So the next time you guys see me, I will be just showing you my plate. So that is my chicken, and let me see, this is my rice. Okay, almost finished. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So next time you will see me, I'll be plating it. Okay. So guys, this is the plating. French fried chicken alongside figure chicken, cut down chicken as we Jamaican would say, veg and rice and peas, and also a nice smooth glass of cucumber juice. Cucumber juice, I made it with cucumber, ginger, and lemon juice, and I use this sweetener, agave. Yeah, I use agave to sweeten it. It's a natural sweetener, and trust me, it tastes so good. You know, so guys, this is the finished product. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So This is Big Papa signing out.